Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuss by Reggie, right? Back with another video. We're just gonna do a quick review of the, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share. If you dislike the videos, hit the thumbs down button. All that is fine, right? So we're just gonna do a quick run through of the Monster, the hybrid clipper. If you know, I did an unboxing of everything that I bought from Monster, and they also sent me a few things. I'll leave the unboxing video of everything. So I've been using this, right? I've been using the shaver, and I've also been using the trimmer, all right? But we're gonna focus on the hybrid clipper first. I'm gonna leave the price right here on the screen because it's a conversion from the euros, I think it's euros, to American dollars. I ordered the clippers maybe a couple weeks ago. It took a little while to get here because they shipping from the Netherlands, that's overseas. But once they got here, you see the unboxing, the hybrid clipper. We got the 7-guard attachment, cleaning brush, a screwdriver, charging stand, all that good stuff, right? So we're just gonna talk about it. We're gonna start with the package, right? The package is something we've seen plenty of times. This right here, I've said it before, but I like this standout. I wish they didn't have the clipper there and just had the logo of OMG, we've created a monster, right? And let you see the full thing, or had it somewhere else, but that has nothing to do with nothing, right? So as you see, I haven't been using this cord because I had another cord to plug into the Monster stand. So I'm sitting here editing the video. I know it's dark. I'm sitting here editing the video, right? And yes, I had a plug to plug into the charger stand, but the reason I also use that is because of the conversion outlet, right? You need a adapter for their clippers coming from there to here in the US, right? So that's also another reason that I forgot to put in the video. And that's the other reason why I also have not been using their plug. It's a different plug. So that's still there. Come with guards. So it come with these magnetic guards, the single magnetic, but they also put in a half guard and a 1.5 guard, but it's not magnetic. I don't know the reason behind that. I wish they would have put the magnetics in there, although I am a fan of the double magnetics from other companies, but these are not bad. They get the job done. And then of course you got the all plastic guards that we've seen plenty of times. So they're not bad. They also come with a charging dock, which we all like their charging docks, all right? But this is the machine. So hybrid is based on the clipper, right? So it's kind of like the Fusion blade, right? But their clippers are all their Monster fade clipper, Monster taper clipper, and it's just based off the blade of what's on the clipper, right? But of course, you see the design. This thing has great power. Let me make sure I'm getting the hours that it run right. Oh, where is it at? So you got 10,000 RPM. Somebody in one of my comments was like, what clipper got 10,000 RPM? You sound crazy. I love every one of y'all who watch my videos. And sometimes a quick Google search. Now, whether some of these clippers have it or not, that's a whole different story. But in certain videos, when I'm talking about what the packaging says, you can just Google. It's a free tool that we all have. All right. So you got 2 hours of charge time for 3 hours of run time. It's a magnetic motor. It got the click lever, right? Or you can take the ball out, make it a floating. But when I'm reviewing, I'm not a big fan of click levers, but when I'm reviewing, I'm using them as they are. But I'd rather have a floating lever if it was, up to me. All right. Floating lever just seemed like I can get in between certain when I'm fading and stuff. But anyway, you got the design. Love the all black. They very quiet. Very quiet clipper. Of course, you got the ergonomical design. I do like this little groove print right here. And they do come with different plates that you can put on the front. But if y'all been watching me for a while, y'all know I never do, even though I say I am. But anyway, performance. Cuts great. If you've used anything from Monster, you know how it, you know, how their products are, right? But this cuts through hair great for fading, great for bulk removal. The blade, I am a fan of the Fusion blade. I am a fan of the hybrid blade. So these kind of blades are fine for me. I'm a fan also of, I'd rather have a fade blade over a tapered blade. So this just, you got your grooves and ridges in there. So it's easy to zero gap as well. So anyway, it's great with bulk. It does last the runtime that it says. Overall, this is a pretty good clipper, right? There's not really much to say about it. It cuts through hair. The way that the design is when you're going up against somebody's head, the way that this is, not that it's hard with a different, you know, a clipper, because you know what you're doing with it, but it seemed like this, you just go, it's like you holding it perfectly and it goes straight to the head for fading. You're just flicking off, right? So I like that. So overall, should you purchase this clipper? Yes, right? They don't do, I know a lot of people like to compare them to other companies. They don't do a lot of the customization that you might see with other companies, which is fine because I'm not a big customization guy. I do like it, but it's not needed when it comes to clippers. You get what I'm saying? Like when people say about the packaging, just because you can change the color of your clippers and all that, that doesn't mean it's gonna run. But they do, and this does as well. It's gonna be great for fading. It's gonna be great for bulk removal. This is actually cheaper than your other option. You get what I'm saying? So if you want to look for this clipper, I say you go ahead and give it a purchase. Since if you're in the States, it will take maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks. With everything going on in the world right now, that might slow it down. I don't know for sure. I'm not political and all that stuff, so I don't know how everything affects, but some things affects certain operations. So I say you definitely get this clipper if you have the chance. This is the Monster Hybrid Clipper, which refers to the blade on the clipper. 3 hours of run time, 2 hours to get a full charge. Click lever, nice grooves, built very nice, quiet. I didn't really understand the difference of guards, why they had the magnetic, but then the non-magnetic of the 1/2 and the 1.5. But they got the job done. I ended up using my wall and gamma guards anyway. So yeah, either way, definitely a buy. Uh-oh, I almost dropped that thing. Definitely should purchase this if you are looking into getting a new clipper. Click lever, you know, ramble over. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike it, comment, share, subscribe. If you haven't voted for the CT Barber Expo, I'll leave the link down below. I am in the back, so you know, if you don't feel like voting, you don't got to. But please vote. Uh-oh, got my chest hurt. I got that V-neck. V-neck don't look like a V-neck no more. Than gain my weight back. But anyway, comment, like, subscribe, share, all the good stuff. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Very, very soon. Peace.